Thinking about adding a new feature to your home? Whether it's a patio, driveway, or even a foundation for a new addition, understanding the cost of a concrete slab is crucial. We'll break down everything you need to know about concrete slab costs. Concrete slabs typically cost between $3,600 and $7,200, with the average homeowner spending around $5,400. But what exactly determines this price range? Let's explore the major cost factors. First up, slab size. The larger the slab, the more concrete you need, which increases the cost. Here's a quick look at how prices vary by size. For example, a 10 by 10 foot slab costs between $400 and $800, while a 40 by 40 foot slab can range from $6,400 to $12,800. Next, let's talk about slab thickness. Most residential slabs are between 4 and 6 inches thick, but for heavier applications, you might need up to 8 inches. Thickness directly affects the volume of concrete required. A 4-inch thick slab costs about $5.35 per square foot, while an 8-inch thick slab can cost up to $7 per square foot. Reinforcement is another key factor. For most residential projects, wire mesh is sufficient, but for heavy-duty applications, iron rebar might be necessary. Wire mesh adds about 35 cents per square foot, while rebar can add up to $1.60 per square foot. Additional factors like concrete grade, finishing materials, and permits can also affect the overall cost. Higher-grade concrete is stronger and more expensive, while decorative finishes can add aesthetic appeal but also increase the price. Common projects like shed bases, fire pits, and driveways have their own average costs. For instance, a shed base might cost around $480, while a driveway could set you back about $3,000. To keep costs down, do as much of the preparation work yourself as possible. Choose the smallest size and thickness that meets your needs, and avoid specialty finishes unless absolutely necessary. When hiring a professional, make sure they're licensed, bonded, and insured. Check their Better Business Bureau rating and customer reviews, and always get multiple estimates. Concrete slabs are a foundational element for many home projects. By understanding the cost factors and making informed choices, you can ensure your project is both durable and cost-effective.